What's up, everybody? Welcome to MAKB. We just got new electric bikes for Christmas. As you can see, pretty new. It's cold here in Indiana, so haven't had much time to ride it. But the front, the cable management was pretty nasty. Hold on, let me turn on the light. There's basically cables going everywhere. I found these little wraps on Amazon for like TV cables, or I guess anything you want to put inside them. Anyway, I got 4 of them. Not very much money. They zip together. I thought it made a nice clean look to the front of the Lectric XP 3.0. Anyway, peace.